Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing a 2x2 through 5x5 relay. So this is just a fun video that I wanted to do, nothing too special, and there's still going to be another video on Sunday as well, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, today I'm going to be solving the 2x2 through 5x5, and I think it'll take around 6 to 7 minutes to do that. So yeah, without wasting any more time, I think we can just jump into some scrambling. I've scrambled it. Actually, I'll just put all of them over here, like just reverse the order because I'm going to start from 5x5. And so yeah, I think we can just start now without inspection again. Okay, so wow. Okay, so we're done. We got 5 minutes and 32 seconds, which was I tried this before and I got like 6 minutes, but honestly I got really lucky with 4x4. Like in just 2 moves my 4 edges were done for the 4x4. So yeah, this was just a fun video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a like button, subscribe to my channel, consider checking out these 2 videos, and click over here to subscribe. I'll see you guys all next time.